Luggage overload looming over your Malaysia Airlines flight. Let's ditch the airport stress and pre-book that extra baggage online. First, head over to the Malaysia Airlines website. You can easily find it by searching Malaysia Airlines in Google. Once you're on the website, look for the Manage Booking section. It's usually located in the top menu or on the homepage. Click on it. Now, enter your booking reference number and your last name exactly as they appear on your flight ticket. Double-check for typos. Once you successfully retrieve your booking, you'll see all the details of your flight. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct flight. Scroll down until you find the option to add extra baggage. It might be located under add-ons or a similar section. Click on it. Choose the amount of extra baggage you need, keeping in mind the allowed weight and dimensions. The prices will be displayed next to each option. Proceed to the payment page and select your preferred payment method. Enter your payment details securely. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your updated baggage allowance. That's it, you're all set to fly with your extra luggage.